Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in food, kitchen supplies, and more. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular chili seasonings on the market, Williams Original Chili Seasoning. If you're looking for a way to make your chili stand out and burst with flavor, this is the seasoning you've been waiting for. Williams Original Chili Seasoning is crafted with the purest ingredients, ensuring that every batch of chili you make is packed with rich, savory flavors that everyone will love. Whether you're preparing a simple weeknight dinner or entering a chili cook-off, this seasoning blend will give your dish that perfect balance of spices. It's specifically designed for up to 4 pounds of meat, so whether you're making a large pot for the family or cooking up a big batch for a gathering, this mix has you covered. What makes this chili seasoning stand out from the crowd is its versatility. It works beautifully with beef, turkey, chicken, or even a vegetarian chili. You can mix it into your base, adjust the heat to your preference, and make your chili your own. Plus, it's so easy to use. Just add the seasoning to your meat, stir in a little liquid, and let it simmer. That's it. It couldn't be simpler. Now, let's talk about why this product has earned a place in so many homes. Williams Original Chili Seasoning is a trusted choice for its consistency in flavor and quality. Each packet is filled with the perfect blend of chili powder, garlic, cumin, and other spices that bring out the natural richness of your meat or vegetables. It's no wonder this seasoning has become a staple in many kitchens across the country. One of the best parts about this seasoning is that it's available in a pack of 3. That's 3 chances to make the perfect pot of chili every time. It's a great value, and you'll always have a packet on hand whenever you're ready to cook up a hearty, flavorful meal. If you're a fan of classic chili with a hint of spice, Williams Original Chili Seasoning is a must-have in your pantry. It's the best Williams chili seasoning mix out there, and with just a few simple steps, you'll be able to create a delicious dish that'll have everyone coming back for more. So, if you're looking to elevate your chili game, grab a pack of Williams Original Chili Seasoning. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more product reviews right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.